In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix brush preview not showing in Photoshop. If your brush cursor has suddenly turned into a tiny crosshair, or you're painting but can't see the actual size and shape of your brush on the canvas, this walkthrough will help you get that preview back. We'll adjust just a couple of settings inside Photoshop, and you should see your brush outline again right away. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Once it's up and running, move your mouse to the top menu bar. There, click on Edit. A drop-down menu will appear. Near the bottom of that menu, look for Preferences. Hover your mouse over Preferences and then click on Cursors. This will open a new Preferences window or pop-up. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a section labeled Painting Cursors. This controls how your brush appears on the screen while you're working. Under Painting Cursors, select either Normal Brush Tip or Full-Size Brush Tip. Normal brush tip shows you the basic size of your brush, which is usually enough for most painting and retouching work. Full-size brush tip shows the entire size of the effect, including any feathering or softness around the edges of the brush. If you want a more accurate idea of how soft brushes will look, full-size brush tip is often the better option. Choose the one that feels right for how you like to work, but make sure one of these two is selected instead of a precise cursor or crosshair. Now, while you still have this Preferences window open, look at the list on the left side and switch to the Performance section. Go ahead and click Performance. In this panel, you'll see an option called Use Graphics Processor. Uncheck this box so that it is turned off. Disabling the graphics processor here can help if there's a conflict between Photoshop and your graphics card that's causing the brush preview not to display correctly. Don't worry, you can always come back and re-enable it later if you need to. Once you've unchecked Use Graphics Processor, click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes. At this point, close Photoshop completely. Make sure it's fully shut down, not just minimized. Then reopen Photoshop. After it restarts, select your brush tool and move it over your canvas. You should now see your brush preview properly showing again. And that's it. By adjusting the cursor type and turning off the graphics processor in the performance settings, you've fixed the missing brush preview in Photoshop.